Hello everyone! Welcome to Citadel 27th floor Business Bay. So ito yung project ng RLC. It means raise. Raise as in you raise them, live and connect. But actually, Robinson's, what is the meaning? Robinson's,
RLC, Robinson Land Corporation.
yes. So there are two meanings. Robinson Land Corporation and Raise, Lived, and Connect. So this is the Mantawi area. These 4 towers consist of 40 floors to 50. This is the Mantawi, and it's located in Mandawi, Cebu City, Philippines. And this is the Pasig City.
You should the name, Lefont Residence.
This is the called Lefont Residences. Consists of 2 towers, and it is around
50 floor.
50 floors. So, iyan 50 floors, Lefont Residence, which is ang ganda naman kasi hindi daw bahain. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan ang design ng Pasig, Philippines. So ito ang branch office nila dito sa Dubai. And ayong Mantawi, malapit siya sa Dumaguete. So for me, kung pipiliin ko, ito is yung Mantawi. Yung Mantawi. Yung sa Cebu. Kasi malapit lang siya sa Dumaguete. If ever, kaya kong magbayad, in God's grace, manifesting lang. Pero as of now, hindi pa. Pero maganda siya guys, see? And sa baba niyan, may building Robinson. So may mall siya na Robinson's Mall. So ang ganda niya kasi monthly siya. And kung kaya naman sa budget, why not, di ba? And their office is here. And these are our boss.
Sorry, this room is not allowed for vloggerists. No, it's okay for sale.
So, ito po, ang total price niya
24. 2016 eh.
ito po kasi cash yan. Kapag may cash, ano po, is may discount. So, ano natin yung 2080 po na terms. So, 12 million na po siya kasi may kasama po siyang closing fees. Ano po ba yung mga closing fees? Ano po yung registration fees, mga tax, na babayaran natin.
That is cash.
Ano po, pwede niyo po ito
Tapos lagi mo pa anak lang.
So this is Mantawi. So located sila dito sa Business Bay. Pero yung methods of payment is online, hindi siya by cash. So online, direct to the company. Tapos may ano sila dito. Wow, cute siya. Tapos may tanim sila dito. Plastic naman pala to. Hindi siya totoong plants. Plastic siya. So yun lang guys. Vlog lang ako dahil first time ko nakapunta dito sa RLC office residence. So belongs to Robinson's Land Company. Residence. Company. Raise, Live, and Connect.
Promo 21 HP.
Hi everyone! Nasa 27th floor kami dito sa Citadel Building, Business Bay. At ayan ang view sa baba. Tubig yung sa baba.
Teka lang, mag-charge na ako ng phone habang para mabilis. Ano bang dito? Nakakulikat para sa wifi?
Citadel Building, 27th floor, Business Bay. Against the light naman kasi.
Mamaya.
Hmm?
Kung pwesto ka ng
Yan. So,
Dito ka.
maganda. Dito.
Dito.
Hindi against the light.
Dito.
Oh, yun. Maganda. Tapos, ay, ganyan lang pala siya. Yan. Makakuha ng 1 minute, okay na.
Kaya kanina pagdating mo, sarap.
Ang ganda. Ayan, may nagbike. Parang ang liit-liit niya, guys. Ayan. Hindi na siya makita nga.
Di ba nakakatakot yung ganito na surrounded by water?
I think yung foundation is look like Burj Khalifa. Yung foundation ng ano, building.
Hello guys! Nandito kami sa 27th floor sa City of Daulay. Located po sa Business Bay. Tingnan niyo yung kagandahan ng Dubai. Makikita natin guys. Sorry, yung